Fueling up before breakfast, or before our hike. Have a chai over here. So the trail that Derek and I were originally going to do didn't allow dogs, so we came to this other one. However, we saw this really cool one with people hiking, so we're going to try to do that one instead. Sanitas, isn't that California? There obviously used to be a fireplace. Alrighty, here we go. Power station over there.
Perfect. Everything you need for a hike.
I'm pretty sure I have done this one before. But that's okay, it's not a bad thing. I think. So that's where we're trying to go. It's very pretty. It's a really sunny day too. We're diverting to climb the rocks. Go up there. How embarrassing. We're summiting. Hey, look, there's another mountain. City of Boulder. Our little model. Good pics, Keely. So now we're thinking that's the end, actually. We just couldn't see it before. So we go. Came from down there. We're finishing it. My camera might die, but we made it to the top and there's a power tower. We're gonna keep going, but I think I'm gonna run out of battery. So, adios, amigos. Alright, we think this is the top. We did it. There's a counter trail this way. Is this what heaven looks like?
I feel like, I don't know. Lucy's.
We are so close to these birds right now. Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a vegan ice cream that's not just nice cream. I saw this video by Liv B, so I wanted to recreate it. That being said, she took the recipe from someone else, so I will link the original poster below. So yeah, let's get started. First you're going to need a saucepan. Next you're going to need 3 cans of coconut milk in total, but for this part in particular you just need 1. So the other 2 you're supposed to put in the fridge at least overnight. I've had mine in for like 2 days. That being said, you're just going to open your can of coconut milk. Alright, so just empty all of your contents into a pan, and then you're going to add 2/3 cup of sugar to this. So I'm assuming this is what it's supposed to look like. I think it did reduce quite a bit because you can kind of see the outline, I think. So I'm just going to transfer it to this.
Oh, Mary, Mary, so very contrary. Tell me your secrets, dear. How does your garden grow? With bones amid the soil, tease bugs and some shrapnel, and whitewash whores all in a row. And Roger's in the churchyard, trimming up the shrubberies. Brittle twigs and blackened leaves, they're not a total waste. They'll kindle our bonfires in this chilly world, and we'll roast our s'mores in their martyrdom.
Derek and I are going on another hike, but before we're gonna get some boba. Acquired the boba. We go to Kung Fu Tea. We had to do a change of plans because you had to pay for the state park, which is a shame, but this one's pretty nice. There's horses in the distance. It's like a multi-use trail for like bikes, dogs, humans, horses, obviously. That's where we were gonna hike. Still pretty nice. You can jump? Do it. It'll be great content. You think you can make it? First wildlife besides the dead turkey we saw on the road. It's a little marmot gopher thing. There's quite a few of them. This one's really loud. Probably warning about us. Goodbye, Keely. Is this animal abuse? Bye, Keely. Second shot at wildlife. There are deer. There's one for sure.
To the left, take this cup and prune another verse of your bounty. The Father's love for us, do this in remembrance. And Roger's in the churchyard, trimming up the shrubberies. Brittle twigs and blackened leaves, they're not a total waste. They'll kindle our bonfires in this nippy world, and we'll